Are you taking IELTS exam and want to know the test format? Well, there are 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So let's talk about the IELTS test format. Number 1. IELTS Listening Test will be of 30 minutes. You will listen to 4 recordings of native English speakers and then respond to related questions. Each recording will be played only once. The first recording is a conversation between 2 people on an everyday topic. Example, a conversation about a weather. The second recording is a talk or presentation about a social topic. Example, a discussion on poverty. The third recording is the discussion of up to 4 people on an academic topic. Example, a debate on educational or policies. The last recording is a talk on an academic subject. Example, reviews on university lectures. Number 2. IELTS Reading Test. It will be of 60 minutes. You will be asked to read 3 different passages and respond to related questions. There are 13 or 14 questions for each reading passage. Talk about IELTS Writing Test. IELTS Writing Test will be of 60 minutes. There are 2 tasks in the writing test. In task 1, you have to write a report describing some visual information in your own words. IELTS Writing Task 1 will be minimum of 150 words, and in writing task 2, you will need to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or a problem in the minimum of 250 words. Let's talk about IELTS Speaking Test. IELTS Speaking Test will be of 11 to 14 minutes. You will be asked questions by an IELTS examiner in a quiet room. There are 3 parts in the IELTS Speaking Test. In part 1, you will get a chance to speak about common topics. Example, introduction, family, studies, your areas of interest, etc. In part 2, you will need to speak for 2 minutes on a topic that the examiner gives to you. You are given 1 minute to prepare and then to talk. In part 3, the examiner will ask you further questions which are connected to the topic of part 2. This will allow you to discuss more ideas and issues. So this was all about IELTS test format. For more, do follow Gradding. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.